Should you or should you not do repairs before you sell your home? I am so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 repairs you should consider doing before selling your home. These should help you prepare your home before negotiating a sale. Doing these repairs will help present your home in the best possible condition. Clean out the leaves and debris from your gutters. This helps to reduce rain overflow, which could cause moisture in the crawl space. Heating and cooling units are a big concern if they are not working properly. They are expensive to replace. Consider having the unit cleaned and serviced, along with replacing the filter. First impressions are crucial. Spruce up your front door, landscaping, and touch up any peeling paint so your home will appear well maintained. It will set the mood for the buyers. These are 3 low-cost repairs to consider before selling your home. If you would like the full list, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.